Hi Mike. So I came across one use case. Yeah, it's not a real use case, but I still wanted to make you aware of this. So I'm creating one payment using Reader and clicking on Save button. So I got this message to swipe a card. Then what I'm doing, I'm creating a duplicate tab of this and cancelling payment from here. This operation basically, and just to access some other page of the ERP portal. Now if I cancel this operation from the original tab, it's showing an error. I mean, though it's not a real use case, but I think it should gracefully redirect to the previous page, or let user know that payment is already cancelled. Yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you.